Hi, in this video we will see how we can remove a specific character from a cell. So here we are seeing there are a couple of values are there, and each value there is a dash sign. We need to remove this dash sign so that the values of these fields will be the combination of characters and numbers, and there will be no dash sign. To do this thing, at first we need to go to a cell and then we have to type a equal sign. Once we finish typing equal sign, then we have to type substitute. We don't need to type everything. If we type sub, then it will suggest this thing, and from there we have to choose the first one, and once we choose, then we have to put the values. So here the nature of this function is very complicated. So what I am going to do, instead of typing here, basically I will do this thing by graphically. So I am going to double click by the function name, which is called fx. Once we double click, then a new window will be appeared. From here we have to fill all of these fields. The last one is optional. So at first I am going to type the excel by clicking, and then we have to put the old value. We want to remove the dash sign, so I am going to put a double quotation mark, and inside it I am defining the dash sign, and then we have to replace this thing with empty thing. So I am just putting a double quotation mark, and then we will see the format of that text. Now we have to press the OK button to complete this function. If we don't press the OK button, it will not complete, and here we are seeing the format also. So I'm going to click the OK button, and once we click the OK button, we will see the value of that cell. Here everything is there except the dash sign. So in this way we can easily remove the dash, and if we want to do the same thing for other cells, we can also do the same thing. That's it, guys. In this way we can easily remove the dash sign from Excel. If we want to remove some other special character or regular character or number, you can also do the same way. Thank you guys for watching the video.